Hey, good day everyone. Check out these diamond cutting discs I have here. It says they have a 5 times longer life. It's got a 1/8 inch arbor. That's the centerpiece right there, 35,000 RPM max, and the kerf is 1 millimeter. And the kerf is that distance between the two pieces that you're cutting. It's basically the gap that this creates, so that's 1 millimeter. Let's check these things out. All right, here's a closer look at these things. So this has a 1 inch mandrel too. Check this out. Close up of these things. Really cool looking, actually. There's the back side of it. The best application for this is either a pneumatic or electric die grinder. All I have is a pneumatic right now, so this is what I'm going to use. Overall, really happy with these. And look at that, still got a whole bunch of life left in it after a bunch of use. All right, thank you for watching, everybody.